Everybody, so we're still working on this, cleaning up this validation service code. I think I have it all narrowed down to, I'm pretty happy with everything all the way up into these two functions, this get validation text for token and get validation function for token. And I just want to change it so that I say basically like validation message. I think I've been going with MSG, right? Have I been? Or validation text, TEXT for token. And that is, I think I still have to make this an any because um, I can't I can't check it, interrogate it. Um, the TypeScript won't compile if I have if I strongly type it. But basically, I'm going to take and I wonder if I could do this thing, ensure validation token type. If I can do this on the left. It seems like I should be able to, but never can tell. So, unfortunately, it won't let you do that. And I don't know why. I guess it would be interesting to see what the error is. Yeah, it's upset. Yeah, so I don't know. What if we just do this? Yeah, that was weird. Okay. Okie dokie. And then that value is equal to this. And so basically, if I get this token, I will return that. And then I'm going to say if and it's just going to be an easy place for me to look. Basically, that's all I'm trying to do here. Um, validation token. I think I needed this on it. And I think I need to put this inside of brackets. Bracket. Then it's that. So basically, and then I guess this is token. Yeah, so let's just make sure. Just double check that that actually works. I can't see why it wouldn't, but I've been wrong before. I'll be wrong again. Looking good. All right, so then that makes the second one pretty easy. Basically, I just want that on the left. So basically, it's going to be identical. And I'm going to make this value function. I'm going to make this value. I'm going to make this value text. And I'll explain why in a second. I should have something broken down here, right? And then this. So I still do have to do the key up, and so I think I'll probably have another one for like key value text for instead of key text for token, and then or character char character text for token, character function for token. So that'll be the text that you would get back if you have an invalid character on the key up. So that text would be different. I think, yeah, because basically it's going to be something more like only invalid character for floating point number, only uh, point numbers and decimals are allowed. Something like that. Um, Maybe one decimal is allowed. So that would work for that. And then basically, it's going to be something along the lines of this. But it will be for fun instead of funcation. Oh, that's funny. And then it's this. And then this is this. So basically, if I find it in there, I'll return it, whatever the text is on this one. And if I find it in this structure, in this dictionary, and this is like a straight up dictionary. And we'll just double check that it works, and that will do it. And I feel pretty good about what we have. I don't think there'll be any good reason to like go over the whole thing again and try to determine it, but we will do that when we do the pull request. So yeah, the function's still working. Validation function, you can come in here and you can just look right at the top and see that, you know, this is the function, the token for that, and then these are that. This is the dictionary for a token. Basically, the next time we get another kind, which will probably be, you know, like a floating point possibly, where you can have a negative number. That'll probably be the next one. Then there'll be, you know, two in here saying whatever, or then there'll be another one that, like, if I when I go to add, like near, that's a positive floating number too, and far is a positive floating number. Then we'll add that. Now, that does make it interesting. I wonder if near has to be smaller than far, and then like that's a second type of error, and then, you know, like how I wonder if this will scale to that, you know, like where I can have two types of errors for a single. I don't see any reason why. Oh geez, yes I do, because this there's only one token per path. So this is probably going to need to be refactored to be a yeah, that's an array, and then array of these things, and then and I think that's gonna kick off a refactor all the way. Oh man, yeah, I think that kicks off a refactor all the way down to the bottom, all the way to um, not here, but here. So right now, what I do is I say if validator function. So I guess um, if validation function is not equal to null. Okay, so this will turn into an array, I think, because this is going to get the validation service for that. So these are going to be validation functions. So then I'm going to loop over the functions and all that. So I guess that's what I'll be doing tomorrow. Man, it's just crazy how validation it just has a takes on a life of its own. But let's see where are we at. 11 minutes is a perfect time to step off, and happy coding, everybody. Bye.